One is endowed, has everything, but also is also in her lane. I mean, so what I say, me na me grandma then I'm first time the better child. So be it. Also no crowd no feel so you protect it now. I mean, so be it.
Okay.
So for me, honestly, I am not really into their stories. Maybe the Sister Efia she's a friend. And to me I would advise her to really back off. From yes, because
and I
make a choice say me say me force say energy now or this shesa no so sa energy now no or concentrate on other equally important things that will benefit her career and the industry she's in now. It will better serve her. Well done. This angle she's chosen. And to me, I can say she should just back off.
Okay.
I mean, to your friends whoever that it is, you know, she should just call it off and just move on. At the end, you know, all this is the Fifi now. I mean, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's endowed. I mean, she has everything. So
they are beautiful, and
honestly speaking, maybe you'll be open
market for.
No, me see me you'll be. I mean, I like
girls,
friends. I like flesh. Yes, I appreciate women with enough flesh. Like friends, excellent. You see, or bunyam, or chinyam. So, you know, I mean, she's okay. Into no case, between aje, obi kunu ba obefa.
There be Amandzeba na what do for you?
The make us also obi kunu ba. See, and saying all these things, you know, she's beautiful.
Okay,
she should not be perturbed by what someone says she's gorilla, she's chimpanzee. To hell with you, and to hell with whatever that. I mean, they are running around. Honestly, maybe they're interested in their stories.
Okay,
I'm being blind.
Yo, Adwa Montana, baby tiwe.
Mefa kwanya we so. Ade achia me mame. Stella Opon.
Okay.
And I know mommy atari LDA Ventures.
Okay.
And I me mame Mama Tamara.
Okay.
And all my female friends at Tema.
Okay.